Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the screen lock protection on this device. Basically a pen protection for the watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and we can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, and by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the option called pen, right here, and tap on it, and then tap on enable pen. And now we can enter the pen we want to use to unlock our watch. It's gonna enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but as you can see, the watch tells me that this pen is kinda simple, so it's gonna be easy to guess. I'm just gonna tap on use anyway, and now we need to re-enter the pin again to confirm this. As you can see, it says set successfully, and the enable pin changed to disable pin, and we have a couple more options like change pin, so if you want to change it, you can change it, and also the auto lock option. If this option is enabled, if you take off your watch from your wrist, the lock will, or rather the screen will lock itself. So if you want this option, keep it enabled. If you want to disable it, disable it. Okay, and now we can lock the screen. Come on. Okay, and when we try to unlock it, you will see this lock icon, and when you try to use the touch screen, you will need to enter the pin to unlock it and access the watch. And to disable the pin, simply open the settings again, tap on pin, tap on disable pin, enter the current pin to confirm, and it should change to enable pin again. And now when you lock the screen, you will be able to unlock it without entering the pin. Okay, and that's how you set up the screen lock protection on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.